So I bought 8 gas cans for $25 off Facebook Marketplace. Already a steal, right? But when I cracked them open, they were full of gas. Yeah, I basically just started a flipping fund off somebody else's fuel bill. I wasn't even hunting for this. I was already heading to my storage unit. 0 extra gas spent chasing it. When I saw them in person, I knew instantly, even empty, these were worth 25 bucks easy. But with all that fuel inside, that's like buying the cans and getting paid to take them. Before we go further, how much profit do you think I'll make? Drop your guesses in the comments. I'll reveal it at the end. Out of the 8 cans, only 3 had busted nozzles. Here's the lineup. 2 1 gallons, 2 2 gallons, 5 5 gallons, and then the big metal boy. 5 gallons, working float. Looks like it came straight off a military base. Not sure if I'm selling it, keeping it, or turning it into a mini bike tank. To make these sellable, I grabbed the nozzle kit off Amazon for $25.99. Everything's in the box. Spouts, gaskets, vent plugs, and the best part, the drill bit that lets you bring back the original venting system. One kit covers 12 cans, and they send multiple drill bits, so I'm set for a while. The only other tool I needed was a drill, which you can get for cheap. I got mine from Harbor Freight. And if you want to copy this flip, I've got the exact kit linked in the description along with smaller packs if you don't need as many parts. Here's where it gets hilarious. I opened the first one just to check, and it reeked of fresh gas. I started pouring them out, one after another. Most were half to full. Then it hit me. This gas is worth more than what I paid for all the cans. Final tally, over 13 gallons. At today's prices, that's 45 bucks in gas. Basically paid for the whole flip before we even listed anything. The whole clean and fix process, under an hour. Would I have done this if I had to drive out of my way? Probably not, but since I was already there, total no-brainer. Here's the resale plan. 10 bucks for the 1s and 2s, 15 for the 5s, 20 for the metal. That's 135 from the cans alone, plus 45 bucks in gas, so about 180 total value. After costs, 25 bucks for the cans, 28 for the kit. That's 127 profit counting the gas, or 82 just from the cans. 1 hour of work and the find happened while I was already out. That's the kind of flip I'll take every time. I don't just see junk anymore. I see flipping potential. And this, just the warm up. The gas alone paid for the whole haul. So now I've officially started my marketplace flipping fund. Next up, I'm doing a flip that's bigger and riskier. Might actually be my best marketplace score yet. If you want to follow the journey, hit subscribe, or at least drop a like if you think flipping gas cans is the most slept on side hustle out there. Stay safe, y'all. Peace.